Cholesterol plays a crucial role in our bodies, but too much can lead to serious health issues. Did you know that good cholesterol, or HDL, helps purify our arteries, while bad cholesterol, or LDL, can come from the foods we eat? To manage cholesterol effectively, consider incorporating these foods into your diet. Kelp is fantastic for lowering cholesterol levels and preventing blood clots. Beans are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which can reduce cholesterol by 10 to 30%. Onions boost HDL levels by about 30% and are packed with antioxidants that support blood circulation. Garlic lowers bad cholesterol and purifies the blood, while lettuce helps prevent cholesterol accumulation. Sunflower seeds are rich in phytosterols, effective in lowering cholesterol, and cassia seed tea can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Olive oil is a great cooking substitute that lowers bad cholesterol, and fatty fish like mackerel can increase good cholesterol.